'70s.
Panahon ko yan. Panahon ko yan.
SJB. Noong 1973, anong SJB ang naging pinakamahabang tulay sa Pilipinas?
San Juanico Bridge.
San Juanico Bridge, linking the islands of Samar and Leyte, is correct!
Ay, parang may slow motion yung lovable team eh.
Then, next episode pa sila maglalaro.
Next episode.
Next episode pa.
Sila eh.
Pero ito ang catch. Team Eaglets, you're one question away. Team United Forever, pag nakakuha kayo ng extra hot, talo niyo pa ang Team Eaglets.
At kayo, Team Lovable, hi.
5 extra hot pa.
5 extra hot para sa inyo.
Okay, so good luck to our two teams. Next question now, let's roll it.
90s.
Panahon ko yan. Yan. Taas.
MP. Sa Nature. Anong MP ang nagkaroon ng malupit na Big Bang noong
For the win.
1991 for the win?
Mount Pinatubo.
Mount Pinatubo is correct!
Congratulations, Team Eaglets! Come down here. You're one step away from winning 100,000 pesos. Team Lovable, United Forever, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. At syempre, Billy Boy, hindi lang sila ang pwede manalo dahil may lucky text rin tayo na pwede manalo ng as much as 20,000 pesos. Pero mamaya yan sa pagpapatuloy ng Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay ko! Welcome back to Panahon Ko To! Alright. Team Eaglets, at this point, meron na kayong 5,000 pesos each. Galing. At syempre, eto na ang panahon para dagdagan yan sa ating Sinong Sikat round. Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is name the celebrity behind the stars.
At para matanggal ang mga nakatakip na stars, just fill in the blank with the correct answer. Bawat tamang sagot, plus 5,000 pesos yan.
At eto, pwede kayo mag-pass at pwede nyong balikan ang stars na hindi nabuksan. So that's a good thing.
Answer correctly kung sinong sikat and win
100,000 pesos. Okay?
Okay, let's begin, Team Eaglets. Ready? Ang ating picture ay hango noong dekada 2000s. Ngayon, sino sa inyo ang maglalaro?
Okay. So, Rika, step forward. Miss Evangeline and Trisha, please step aside. Rika, we are looking for a person. Reminder sa mga teammates, no coaching. Kung kanina nasanay kayo, this time no coaching. And you have 60 seconds to play.
Okay.
Timer starts. Now, choose a star.
1.
Alter ego ni Captain America.
Steve Blank.
Steve. Pass.
Choose a star.
2.
Rolling Stones music album.
Blank on Main Street.
Pass.
Choose a
3.
star. Smallest Pinoy fish.
Pandaka Blank
Pandaka Pygmea.
is correct.
Choose a star.
4.
Ang utak ng Katipunan.
Emilio Blank.
Aguinaldo.
Wrong.
Choose a star.
5.
Pinag-aaralan sa geometry.
Pythagorean Blank
Theorem.
is correct.
Choose another star.
6.
Full name ng US President.
John Blank Kennedy.
Pass.
Choose a star.
7.
Classic Tagalog film.
Blank sa Madre Cacao.
Ang tao.
Wrong.
6. Sorry.
Nabuksan mo 2 stars. Balikan natin ang mga hindi mo nabuksan. Let's start off with number 1. Alter ego ni Captain America.
Steve Blank. Correct answer, Steve Rogers.
Mahirap-hirap din.
Mahirap-hirap
You're not a comic fan, diba? Number 2. Rolling Stones music album.
Blank on Main Street. The right answer,
I don't know.
Exile on Main Street.
Number 4. Ang utak ng Katipunan.
Emilio
Jacinto.
Jacinto. Correct. Sayang.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
Number 6. Full name ng US President.
John Blank Kennedy.
Fitzgerald. I don't know.
Fitzgerald. Exactly.
Tama yun. Oo.
Last, hindi mo nasagot, is number 7, classic Tagalog film.
Blank sa madre, kakao. Tuko. Ang tamang sagot. Okay? Well, Team Eaglets, especially Eureka, we will give you 5 seconds para sabihin sa amin kung sinong sikat. Full name required.
Timer starts now.
Emma Watson.
Wow!
Emma Watson.
Tama kaya ang sagot niya? Malalaman natin yan mamaya. Pero kayo mga nasa bahay dyan, ano ang tingin nyo? Kaya bang hulaan kung sinong sikat?
Kung kaya nyo, just text PKT space your answer and send to 2366 for Globe, TM, Sun Cellular, Smart, and Talk and Text subscribers.
Bakit? Dahil kung mali si Rika, isang maswerteng tester na may tamang sagot ang mananalo ng 20,000 pesos.
Kung tama naman si Rika, isang lucky texter din na may tamang sagot ang may chance na manalo ng 5,000 pesos.
Pero kung wala sa mga nag-text ang nagbigay ng correct answer, may consolation prize pa rin 2,000 pesos para sa effort.
Ngayon na ang panahon para mag-text.
Malalaman natin ang tamang sagot sa pagbabalik ng Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay ko. Panahon Ko To. Bibilyak ay Nolpi. At ang tamang sagot ay Miss Gloria Romero. At dahil dyan, bumunot kami sa lahat na nag-text ng tamang sagot. Panalo ng 20,000 pesos si... Congratulations! Welcome back to Panahon Ko To. Our texting lines are now officially closed.
Tama. Siya yun.
Okay, kasama pa rin natin si Rika ng Team Eaglets.
Your answer was Emma Watson. How confident are you sa Emma Watson?
Ano, it's 25.5%.
May 0.5 pa. Trisha, Miss Evangeline, any guesses on your side?
Trisha, sino yung wala?
Ikaw,
Sa'yo,
Taylor Swift. Miss Evangeline.
Taylor Smith.
Well,
Taylor Swift.
the answer was Emma Watson. Tama ba si Rika? Tingnan natin kung sinong sikat. Sorry, Rika. The correct answer is the lovely Taylor Swift.
Anyway, you and your team still win 15,000 pesos.
Come on, ladies.
Plus, kasi nakabukas kayo ng 2 stars, 5,000 each, 10,000, means 25,000 ang nanalo.
That is right. So, Team Eaglets, good job, guys. I am Luis Manzano na nagpapasalamat sa Designer Whey Protein, Ray-Ban Executive Optical, Goshen, Technomarine, Dr. Neldoy Femi of New Asia Traffic Shoes, Dr. Manny Paiklayan, M. Barreto. Maraming salamat.
Ang dami And I'm Billy Crawford and I would like to thank Human, Fly Perfume Swatch, Unisilver, Kalayan, and Merger, and Dr. Sijan. Thank you so much. See you again kung saan ang buhay mo ang araw-araw na laman ng kwentuhan.
Ito ang Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay ko.